doing? Welcome back to my channel. Forget my nails, okay? Oh god, it's so embarrassing. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. I'm always happy to be here with you guys. The thing is, I've already edited this vlog, but I don't have an intro to this vlog, so this is me introducing this vlog. And this happens to be the only quiet place in this house. Even if it is quiet, there's still some playing outside, so I don't understand how I was going to cope with all the noise, but I still have to do this. So welcome back to another vlog. By the way, I'm wearing something. This clothes was made by Reneva. It's so good. I think you can check it out on her page. It should be on her page by now, I guess. I don't know, but anyways, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be a vlog, and yeah, what am I going to be doing in this vlog? I am going to be going to the post office, and I'm going to be going to the market. The post office called me that I had a package and that they were going to deliver it to my house, but I was like, since I'm coming that way, let me just go there and pick it up. They normally deliver it in the house. It's called Speed Up Express. Yeah, it's called Speed Up Express. They normally come to your house to deliver, but I'm heading that way, so I'm deciding to go and pick it up and going to the market to get some fabrics. So it's going to be about fabrics and, you know, going to the post office to get my package and, you know, all of that. I just hope you enjoy this. But see, anything that matters most to me is thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs me up, subscribe. By the way, I use this makeup to film a video which should already be up by now, so if you haven't watched it, please go out and check out my live updates, like what has been happening, the reason why I've been offline from YouTube, which I don't even know if anybody notices. Like, see, YouTube is like, when you stop posting, they just carry sand and cover you, so that's why you have to be like consistent every time. And yeah, so you just want to check out that video, okay? I'm going to put a card so that you can check it out after you've done watching this one. So please, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you give me a thumbs up, and I hope you comment if you get what I mean. Yeah, you do. I love you guys so much, and please keep on supporting your girl, okay? We have to take it up a little this 2022, okay? And I'll see you guys later.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Let this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing.
Hi guys. Oh my god, hey everyone, this is the first Sunday of the year, and I'm out with my friends to just like have fun and chill out. Not serious fun, sha. They're out here buying fish, and I'm here vlogging because it gets me serious, okay? The phone is ringing.
Fine, no.
The first time. I've been using it though.
Use olive instead.
They say olive is mild.
Yes,
They say
it's
olive is mild.
I don't know. We came here to just buy fish.
So after buying fish, we're going to buy drinks over there because their things are quite expensive there. So we are going the local way. We're buying fish before anything else. So yeah.
Fine, no. Hope say no go take time.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
We changed our mind last minute to come somewhere else, and yeah, I don't really like this place, but we just have to make do. Let me showcase my outfits, okay?
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
on the set. Hello, good morning. Ending a vlog in the morning, but anyways, this one I'm wearing, you're still going to see it in another vlog. I'm filming a vlog in a vlog. I don't know if that makes sense, but yes, that is what it is. But anyways, I don't know, after our outing, this is the first time that I have to like pick this up again. Our outing was fun, but it wasn't that fun. It was just there because first of all, the place I wanted to go to isn't the place they later chose, and secondly, our friend's child was ill then, and she wasn't just feeling it, she was like, her mind was really divided, and you know that kind of thing. So we had to like cut it short and go back home. So yeah, but anyways, we came back in the evening, in the night. Okay, she went home earlier, then me and my other friend came home like late. But yeah, that's what it is, and I'm just here to end this vlog. But before I end this vlog, I want to show you guys something that I got. I know I really wanted this for a long time. By the way, everywhere is still scattered. Everywhere is still scattered. I can see it from the mirror, like everywhere is still scattered. Because like there's preparations going on for something, so everywhere is like a mess. But yeah, let me show you guys something I got. So I'm not somebody who is like, I get something and wait for it to unbox. Like if I have to spend like days, I'm not waiting. Okay, like I already opened it. The makeup brush I bought last was when I was in year one. That's like some years ago, a few years back, and I had to order this one from Styling. If you can see, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it, but I think it's pronounced as Styling. So I had to get this one, and I got it with the purse because I have the option of not getting it with the purse or getting it with the purse, obviously with extra charges. So I got it with the purse, and it's, oh god, and it came like this. So I'm obviously going to open this and put it in here. I think it just comes with everything. I had to check to actually know the things that I needed and you know all of that. Yeah, so these were I got, and I'm going to start using them pretty soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.